How to cancel your Amazon Prime 30 days free trial so you won't be charged. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel your Amazon Prime free trial so that you won't get charged after the trial finishes. So let's get started. First step, open up your web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure that you are on the account which you have basically linked your Amazon Prime with. And after you're here, what you'll then need to do is log in into your account, as I said. Then hover over this your account and lists section. Then head over to the memberships and subscriptions section. After you're there, you'll find your subscription including the free trial right here. So simply cancel that from here. You can see the current subscriptions. Simply open that up, cancel it, and you won't be charged now. And that's how simple it is, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.